Institute of Health, Washington, D.C., 1990. In 1990, a monumental scientific journey began at the National Institute of Health in Washington, D.C. This was the launch of the Human Genome Project, an ambitious effort to decode the blueprint of life by identifying every gene in the human body. What makes us human? What secrets lie within our DNA? Scientists sought to uncover these mysteries. But today, some ask an even more provocative question. Could the Human Genome Project provide clues not just about us, but about beings we've long considered alien? Could understanding our DNA reveal the truth about the physiology and origin of the enigmatic gray aliens? The physiology of the grays. Artist rendering of gray aliens with large heads and spindly bodies. Gray aliens, with their large bulbous heads, enormous black eyes, and frail bodies, they have become one of the most recognizable images of extraterrestrial life. But do these features make evolutionary sense? Not quite. These physical traits don't align with natural evolution as we understand it. But what if they weren't the product of natural evolution at all? What if the grays were bioengineered? Genetic lab simulations. Some researchers theorize that gray aliens could be the result of deliberate genetic manipulation, a species engineered to fulfill specific roles. Their physiology, designed for mental prowess over physical strength, might point to advanced bioengineering capabilities. I believe that extraterrestrials discovered early humans on this planet and altered our genetic code to create a species they could interact with, a species they could use to perpetuate their own existence. We may even be the genetic legacy of their experimentation. Hybridization and the human connection. DNA structure overlaying Earth imagery. If extraterrestrials did manipulate human DNA, could they have interbred with humans? The answer lies in the fundamentals of biology. Michael Dennin. For interbreeding to occur, two species must share a similar genetic structure and be carbon-based life forms. If such conditions existed on another planet, it's plausible that beings could evolve similarly to us, perhaps even close enough to interbreed. Imagery of hybrid humanoid forms. Why would such hybrids be created? Could it be an effort to prepare humanity for a future crisis? Or could it serve the aliens' own survival needs? What the grays reveal about human evolution. Transition to futuristic human renderings. If grays interbred with humans, might their appearance reflect an advanced stage of evolution? Could their large heads and slim bodies foreshadow humanity's future? As technology advances, humans rely less on physical strength. Our evolutionary path may favor larger brains and smaller bodies, much like the physiology of the grays. In space, where gravity is weak, muscles and bones naturally atrophy. Extended space travel could accelerate these changes. Simulations of future humans with large craniums and delicate features. This isn't purely science fiction. Studies show that human skull size has increased significantly since the 1800s, along with brain volume. Changes in diet and culture have also influenced our skeletal structure, leading to smaller jaws and teeth. Crop circles and messages from beyond. Crop circle imagery, including a gray alien and binary code. Could the grays be communicating with us? In 2002, a mysterious crop formation appeared in Winchester, England, depicting a gray alien alongside a disc containing binary code. The message read, "Beware the bearers of false gifts and their broken promises. Much pain, but still time. There is good out there. We oppose deceivers." Conduit closing. Arecibo message transmission and crop circle comparison. The previous year, a crop circle appeared near the Chilbolton Radio Observatory. Researchers suggest it was a response to the 1974 Arecibo message, a binary signal sent into space by astronomers Carl Sagan and Frank Drake. The extraterrestrial reply contained startling differences: a modified DNA strand, a shorter humanoid figure, and an unfamiliar solar system. The Roswell Rock and Ancient Symbols. Roswell Crash Site and Mysterious Rock Imagery. In 2004, near the infamous Roswell crash site, a mysterious rock was discovered bearing a symbol identical to a crop circle found in England years earlier. Could this suggest an ongoing effort by extraterrestrials to communicate with humanity? It's hard to dismiss the possibility that some crop circles are messages from an advanced civilization. They could be guiding us, warning us, or preparing us for something yet to come. The future of humanity. Illustrations of Future Human Evolution by Nicolay Lamb. In 2013, graphic artist Nicolay Lamb worked with a computational biologist to illustrate how humans might look 100,000 years from now. His renderings show larger heads, bigger eyes, and darker skin, traits eerily reminiscent of the Greys. Leonard. As humans adapt to new technologies and environments, our evolution accelerates. We may even begin to direct our own evolution through genetic engineering. Astronauts in space, transitioning to depictions of gray-like forms. Long-term space travel may also push humanity toward a gray-like appearance. Without gravity, muscles and bones deteriorate. Advanced cybernetics could replace physical strength, while cognitive enhancements, like larger brains, become humanity's defining trait. Occult connections and portals. Aleister Crowley and Lamb illustration. Throughout history, humans have sought to contact otherworldly beings. In 1918, occultist Aleister Crowley claimed to summon a being named Lamb, whose appearance resembled a gray alien. Could these rituals have bridged the gap between dimensions? Pasadena, California, 1946, Jack Parsons and L. Ron Hubbard's experiments. Decades later, rocket scientist Jack Parsons and Scientology founder L. Ron Hubbard conducted similar rituals in California. Some theorists believe their experiments opened portals, ushering in the modern age of UFO sightings. These rituals might have inadvertently created gateways, allowing extraterrestrial or interdimensional entities to interact with our world. Conclusion. Images of Earth from space, transitioning to futuristic human depictions. Are gray aliens an ominous warning of humanity's distant future, or are they the architects of our evolution? As science and technology advance, perhaps we'll uncover the truth about our origins and our connection to the stars. For now, the grays remain a tantalizing mystery, a symbol of what humanity might become as we continue to evolve beyond our earthly boundaries.